Ben, what are you doing?
I just don't get it. I don't understand. It's not possible.
It's time to stop.
How can we get energy with limited amount of oxygen? It doesn't make any sense. It just...
Come on, I'll make you some tea. What are you doing, Ben?
Lewis, sometimes I feel I just want to run. I'm far away, but I'm too scared.
Run, Ben. Just run.
I've seen it! We have to tell the world! Hi, I'm Ben Butler. Recently I've been awarded a Nobel Prize for discovering a secret, which I'll share with you now with the help of my colleague, Lewis. We need energy for many life processes, such as movement, respiration, growth, excretion.
In aerobic respiration, oxygen is already provided and uses a sugar, not fructose, lactose, not maltose, or even sucrose, but glucose. Combined with oxygen, we get the waste products of carbon dioxide and water. Another output from this equation is energy. Ben, why don't you show us what it looks like written down?
Yeah, alright. In the lungs, a process called diffusion takes place, where a high concentration of carbon dioxide moves into a low concentration of carbon dioxide. In this case, it's to remove CO2 from the bloodstream, so we don't die, and it's to replenish our non-oxygen-rich blood cells with oxygen. The CO2 moves from the blood vessels to the alveoli in the lungs.
Anaerobic respiration is used when there is hardly any oxygen available at that time. Or when there's no oxygen at all.
Are you done recording? Due to a lack of presence of oxygen at the time when we anaerobically respirate, our bodies use only glucose to create energy. A consequence of this is our muscles creating lactic acid, which is poisonous to our muscles. No. Sprinters can be used as an example to whom use anaerobic respiration. Back in the Stone Age, when we were chased by lions and tigers and bears, we used this for quick getaway. In doing so, 100% of potential energy is used up in a very small space of time, leaving us fatigued very quickly, but is useful in times of danger.
Bro, we're gonna need another one of your killer equations.
Yeah, okay. This is the part about yeast. Just try and stay awake. Like all other life forms, yeast is an organism which respires. It is used in foods and drinks, and when processed into these, something happens called fermentation. Fermentation is where glucose is turned into ethanol and carbon dioxide. The ethanol can be turned into alcoholic beverages, and the carbon dioxide is used to rise bread in the oven. Carbon dioxide does this by creating little bubbles in the dough of the bread, which spreads through spreads the dough out. Fermentation also happens in Yakult. Saved it.
Why don't you show us the equation, Ben?
Don't mind if I do, Lewis. Don't mind if I do. One thing I forgot to mention, you know that feeling you get after doing loads of exercise and you feel really achy? I'm pretty sure that's because of lactic acid, but I don't know, I'm just putting it in here as like an extra because I can't be bothered to research it right now. So yeah. Yeah, that's it, that's the end of this. Stop crying now.